Hi guys, I have another package, and one of the cubes is for my niece, and the other one's for me. And it's a 5x5, so we'll see it. I'll start opening it right now. Oh, this side's already open, because I opened it. Oopsies. Now, I got this part. Oh boy, look what we have. It's significantly smaller than my X. It's much smaller. Yeah, much smaller. So we'll do this last, and then we'll do this. I also ordered the person to scramble it. So yeah, if it's scrambled, you should, yeah. So it's part of it. Ooh. So look at the shades. The blue looks a bit lighter, and the white's normal. It is fluoro yellow, fluoro green. The red looks like a bit like pink, and the orange like standard orange. So we'll do 4 turns. Ooh. It's not really good for speed. Yep, not really good for speed. Has some catching issues, as you can see there. Actually, no, it doesn't have that much catching issues. It's pretty good. Yeah, not much catching over there. And the tensions, it's pretty loose, and it feels just a tad sandy. And I will get onto the GAN C54M. It is here. Also, here is the GAN C54M. So, onto the GAN C54M. Ooh, still looks just as good as the C56X. So here's the cube. Ooh. Oh god, and the accessories fell off. It's in there. Oh no. And here's the huge pamphlet. And I will try to fix this these springs. So I fixed the springs, and here's what it looks like. It's upside down because I'm stupid. So this is I believe V3, and here's the cube itself. Abnormally hard to open. Here's the cube in 54 millimeters. It's so small. Okay, I'll open this, and as you can see, the magnets has in GAN C5 or C56X, and we'll do some first turns. Oh gosh, goodness, it's so fast. And it's much more controllable than the GAN C56X, in my opinion. I can feel the lube already. So much more controllable. Oh gosh, it's so fast compared to the GAN C56X. That's what people say. It's much faster, and I believe them. Okay, this is... I am impressed with this cube. This is fairly fast, yo. And the magnets feel pretty good. And yeah, I feel like this cube is really good, especially for one-handed. Sorry, I'm really slow at algorithms, so I'll try to OH this. So I'm too fast for me right now. Oh, this is really good for one-handed. I know I suck at one-handed, so yeah, I suck at it. This cube is great for one-handed and small people with small hands. So if you really don't have the budget for the C56X, then you should get this cube. So, yeah, it's nearly similar to the GAN C56X. It's just the magnets, you can't really change them, and the GES. So let's open it up. Oh, so much easier than the X to open. So here's what it looks like. There you go. And I'll try to take one out and replace it with yellow. If I can open this. Also, my cameraman went, so I had to leave. And also, he's my ex for comparison, not my ex-girlfriend, because I don't have a girlfriend. So there you go. There's size is very noticeable, that huge bump there. And there you go. It's so smooth compared to the X. But the X is a bit more buttery smooth. So guys, it was just raining, so I had to cut it off a bit. And yeah, we'll keep cutting in the skill. Yeah, it's really smooth. Now on to corner cutting. Ooh, it's really good. About line to line, like about 50 degrees for reverse. Ooh, just about less than line to line. We'll see which is better. So this is line to line. This is line to line. Try this. Yep, it still cuts. This one, it also cuts. We'll try it a bit over line to line. And it does not want to cut. So this is the X is turning right now. Okay, so I'll compare the turning. Oh, it's much the Ganti 54M. It's actually a bit more smooth than the X. And yeah, it looks pretty solid.